leading you up the garden path, unraveling idioms in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a rather picturesque idiom, leading someone up the garden path. This phrase might conjure up images of strolls through beautiful gardens, but its meaning is far from literal. Let's embark on this journey together and uncover the essence of this intriguing expression. The phrase, leading someone up the garden path, is a quintessential example of English idiomatic expression. At its core, it means to deceive or mislead someone, often in a way that makes the person believe something that is not true. Unlike its literal interpretation, there's no actual garden or path involved. Instead, it's all about the metaphorical journey of being taken on a route filled with deceit. Tracing back the roots of up the garden path is like walking through history. The idiom is believed to have originated in the early 20th century, though its exact origins are a bit murky. Some suggest it relates to the idea of leading someone toward a secluded or romantic spot under false pretenses. Over time, it has evolved to encompass a broader meaning of deception, not limited to romantic intentions. Understanding when and how to use up the garden path can enrich your English communication. It's typically used in informal contexts, often to describe situations where someone has been misled or tricked. For example, "I can't believe I trusted him with my money. He really led me up the garden path. The advertisement led us up the garden path, making us think the product could do more than it really could." It's a versatile idiom that can describe a variety of misleading situations, from personal relationships to business dealings. English is rich with idioms that convey the concept of deceit or misleading. Here are a few similar expressions. Pull the wool over someone's eyes, to deceive someone by making them believe something that is not true. Take for a ride, to deceive or cheat someone. A wild goose chase, a futile search or pursuit based on misleading information. Understanding these idioms alongside up the garden path can help you grasp the nuances of English expressions of deceit. We hope this stroll through the garden of English idioms has enlightened you about the meaning and usage of leading someone up the garden path. Idioms like these add color and depth to our language, making English a vibrant tapestry of expressions. Keep exploring, and don't let anyone lead you up the garden path in your language learning journey. Until next time, happy learning! Remember, the beauty of language learning lies in uncovering the stories behind phrases and enriching your communication skills. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.